getting ready to go on a trip to do some continuing education classes, and I thought I would show you what I'm taking on my flight. So I'm getting ready to leave now. It is 10:30. I will get to my hotel around 8 this time. I'm changing time zones, and so by the time I run out to the store and get some things, I probably won't get settled till 10 p.m. and so it's going to be almost 12 hours. The in-flight meal does not meet my needs. Anytime you travel with food allergies or food sensitivities, it's really hard to know if what you're going to eat is going to be safe for you. So I wanted to show you some things that I do just to stay safe when I travel, because the last thing I want to do is get to my destination and then have a flare-up or a headache or whatever symptom you get with your food allergies. So the first thing I did is, you may have seen one of my videos where I showed I unboxed a vegan strong box that had these snacks in it. So I could have gone to the store and bought some snacks, but I just threw in these different things. It's different kinds of nuts and seeds. I love these ginger chews. Anytime you can have ginger, ginger helps with motion sickness, indigestion, great to take with you anytime you're traveling. Ginger is great, ginger tea, any of those things. I even have some tea mixes, some mocha, and snacks in here. I made these peanut butter banana scones. You can see they're made out of oats. I haven't decided if I'm going to take them yet. I have a banana in here. I have dried oats, some raisins and pecans, some protein powder. Can't remember if I put anything else in here. I could put nuts or seeds or chia or flax or anything, dried ingredients to go in here that I can just stir some water in. I can buy water after I get through security. I can add water to this or ask for water when I'm on the plane and just stir water into this and it would be fine. And then I also made a peanut butter bagel on my grain-free bagels. I'm going to stick them in my little Ziploc bag here. I toasted it up so it's crunchy. I don't know if it'll still be crunchy by the time I eat it. I'm going to put it in here in this container. I was kind of afraid the powders may come out of the edges there. I don't want the powders on my bagel, so I'm going to stick that in here. I have a little plastic spoon in here. I thought about bringing, I do have a real spoon packed in my suitcase, but I thought, you know what, I may want to just throw everything out. May not be the most environmentally friendly thing to do, but I'm just trying to get through security and have a healthy snack while I'm on the plane. So I'm just going to tape up the edges just to make sure that protein powder doesn't leak out anywhere. Here, and so then I will fit all that into my bag, because you have to put your food in the bins when you go through the airport. So I have another gallon-sized bag full of snacks that I will also have to put through the bins, but that will be for my flight back, which is in a week. So I'm not going to pack the other things, the other items. I'll find something there at a store and pack it to bring with me. So this will go in through security, and then I will have a healthy snack that will keep me full on the plane until I get checked into my hotel and settled in. Anyway, if you have any questions about traveling with food allergies or food sensitivities, post them in the comments below. Let me know. I will do anything I can do to help you. Other things you can do is, here are some oatmeal. You may see me post these. This is an old peanut butter jar. This is just a mason jar. I just have dried ingredients in here. Oats, cocoa, chia seeds, flax, pecans. They're just ready to go. And you could always travel with these in your suitcase. I'm not going to be checking a bag. I'm just going to have my carry-on suitcase and my carry-on bag. So everything's going to be going through the TSA checkpoint. And so that's why I don't have any liquid in here or anything either. Anyway, let me know if you like this video. Let me know any other items you would like for me to share with you. I'll be happy to. Once again, comment below, like, and share. Thank you. Here you can see my oatmeal bowl that I made on the plane. I just stirred in water from my water bottle into it, made an oatmeal bowl, and it was delicious and kept me full until I checked into my hotel and got settled. And then I went to the local grocery store, or Smith's, which is like a Kroger, which was what I'm familiar with. and I found some foods there to stock my fridge. I've got some oat milk. I've got some mashed avocado with bagel, everything bagel seasoning, delicious. A couple of kinds of berries, some carrots, and a spring mix. And then each night I can just pick up a juice to drink a fresh juice in the morning. I'm so excited about that. So you can see my breakfast, it got better as the week went on. They had fresh fruit down in the lobby of the hotel. And so I made my oatmeal and then added the fruit. And then here's my coffee with my juice from the restaurant. And then on the nights that I ate dinner, in my hotel room, I have the spring mix that I put some chipotle soybeans on that came in my vegan strong box. And that went with my carrots and my smashed avocado and my spring mix. It was delicious.